Exercise 5.4 Problem 2 Discussion. Let's read the problem. Find the equations of the straight lines parallel to the coordinate axis and passing through the points -5, -2. Okay, so there are two straight lines. These straight lines are parallel to the coordinate axis. What it means is that one straight line is parallel to the x-axis, another straight line parallel to the y-axis. And both of them pass through the point -5, -2. Okay, and we are asked to find the equation of that straight line. Right. So what is given in the problem? That points -5, 2, and lines are parallel to coordinate axis. That there are two lines. One is parallel to x-axis, other one is parallel to y-axis. We need to calculate the equation of these straight lines. The formula: any line parallel to x-axis is given by y equal to k and x equal to k for line parallel to y-axis. Okay, so let's put the steps. Step 1. Substitute point -5, 2 in y equal to k and get the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis. Line parallel to x-axis is y equal to 2. So when you substitute, the k is unknown, right? We need to calculate k. For that only this point is given. So when you substitute this point, what will happen? There is no x, so this will be of no use. So y equal to -2. So -2 will be equal to k, or k equal to -2. Then the equation will become y equal to -2. Right? So that way we will be able to calculate the first equation. Second equation: any line parallel to y-axis is given by x equal to k. So substitute this point -5 and -2 in this and get the value of k. Once you get the value of k, rewrite this equation. Okay, so you will get k equal to -5 here because x is equal to k, right? So -5 will be equal to k. So k is -5. So this equation becomes x equal to -5. Right? So it's pretty simple. So I will leave it to you to do this problem. And on completion, please come back and check your working against our solution. The solution: equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis is given by y equal to k. We know this point -5, 2 lies on the straight line. So if you substitute that here, you will be able to get the value of k. So let's substitute. So when you substitute, this x value is of no value, no interest here, because this equation has got no x term. So -2 is the place of y. So -2 will be equal to k, or k is -2. So this equation will become y -2. Right? Next, the same way, any line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k. We need to calculate the value of k. K is unknown here. To do that, we substitute this point -5, -2. As I said earlier, in this case, -2 is of no value because there is no y term in the equation. So when you substitute the point -5 into this equation, what you will get? K equal to -5. So the equation will become x is equal to k, then it will become x equal to -5, because in the last step we calculated k equal to -5. So x is equal to -5 is the equation of the straight line. Thus the two straight lines are y equal to -2 and x equal to -5, which are parallel to the coordinate axis and passes through the point -5, -2. Okay, the key point is that any line parallel to x-axis is y equal to k, and k is a constant which you need to calculate. And to calculate that, they have given the coordinate, one point on it. You substitute that point and get the value of k and rewrite the whole equation again, okay, with the value of k. Let's say k is 10, so you will write y equal to 10, right? The same goes for the other equation, x equal to k. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. Thanks for watching this video.